Hey, Mario in the gang, you probably know my name, and so we start the
Hey guys, it's Little Gamer Bro, and today we're going to be unboxing Mario. He's in his little thing. He is an amiibo, as you can see at the bottom, and he's from Mario Party and Yoshi's Woolly World, and this is all the stuff you could do with him. So let's get unboxing. Let's get unboxing. Why won't this thing come off? Here it is. Oh, we got this thing. So you could see it's really detailed, and it has a little Mario Party thing on the bottom. And it even has the lines. I don't think you guys can see it. So let's try this out on the Nintendo 3DS. So I'm going to be testing out Mario on the mini Mario Amiibo challenge. And so let's go. Okay, so it makes a little guy on the screen. We're gonna go, and you could pick any level you want if you unlock it. Now, cool. So I have two amiibos, and we're gonna start with Mario. I have Luigi. I'll do them after, but first I'm gonna start with Mario. And oh, that's so cool. It makes a little Mario robot on the screen. And Mario could wall jump. So now we're going to try out Luigi. So, Luigi on there. Ah, that's so cool. It makes a little Luigi one too. So Luigi is gonna do the same thing as Mario, but he can't wall jump. He can jump super high instead of wall jump. Now we're gonna try Yoshi's Woolly World. So we're on Yoshi's Woolly World, and we're gonna start the game, and we're gonna try out Mario first. So I need to get my progress on. Okay, it's loading. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our amiibo. Oh yeah, Mario. So we're gonna put him on there, and as our hand. Oh, that's so cool. Could even wait. Could Luigi walk? Is Luigi for a different game? For a different game. Wait, it looks. Oh wait. Ah! Yeah, he works too. So thank you guys for watching. I don't have Mario Party, but I will get it soon, and I will show you guys. But if you guys already have it and you already have amiibos, and you played with amiibos, please leave the comment and tell me what they do, because I would really like to see what they do in the game. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hey guys, today it is action. Hey guys, it's Little